Reese, what do you got, man?
French shallot.
Knowing Gary, I know he does use French shallots a lot, so it's a risk, but I think it's right.
The first round is a MasterChef classic. It's a taste test, but not just any taste test. It's a classic dish recreated especially for this round.
I am nervous. I've always had a little slip-up in taste tests. I usually start to overthink it and say the wrong thing.
It's been created by one of the world's best-known chefs, Gary Mehigan.
It's really exciting that it's Gary. I know he loves a lot of bold flavours, so hopefully you'll be able to pick him out in this dish.
Today, you're going to be tasting my Moroccan-style Tajine.
Wow.
Ooh, supercharged tagine there, Gary.
I'm looking at the Tajine and it looks absolutely amazing. It smells so good. It looks complicated. I know it has a lot of different ingredients.
The rules are really straightforward. You take it in turns to taste it and name one of its ingredients. Get it right, you stay in the game. Be one of the first 3 to get it wrong, you go into round 2 to fight to stay in the competition. Let's find out who's going to go first.
A knife blocker. Right, hand on a knife.
The order is decided by a knife pull. I've got one, I'm pretty happy. I really wanted to start because that means I can get the most obvious ingredient just out of the way.
Come, up you come.
I look at the tagine. Straight away, I'm thinking that's chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken?
Yeah.
Correct.
Right, Jess, your turn.
I see this kind of plump, orangey red color. I think it's tomato, but I give it a taste. I'm pretty sure it's apricots. Apricot?
Jess, you're correct.
Right, Ben, your go.
Chickpeas.
Ben, you're correct.
Reese, up you come.
So far, the ingredients that the other guys have chosen are ones that I can see from where I'm standing. So I'm going to try my best to pick one of the ingredients that I can see.
Parsley.
You're correct. Flat leaf parsley. Well done. Go on, Chloe.
Cinnamon.
I've gone straight for this cloth, which implies there must be cinnamon underneath. Well done. Khan, your go.
Pine nuts.
You are right.
Is it slithered pistachios?
Jess, you are correct.
There's definitely fruit in this tagine. I'm sure that this is a pear.
Pear.
You sure? Ben? I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Oh my God. Wow.
Please step over there.
I'm gutted. My worst nightmares come true. I've got to go into round 2.
Reese, your turn.
Onion.
Onions. Chloe,
Green olive.
you are correct.
Bay leaf.
Bay leaves.
Potatoes.
You are correct. Well done.
Salt.
Salt is in the tagine.
Tomatoes.
You're correct.
Khan?
Eggplant.
Khan, you're correct. Lebanese eggplant.
Jess, up you come. Is it getting a little harder now?
Yeah, getting really hard.
A lot of the ingredients have already been picked, and it's just getting harder and harder to pick out which ingredient's which. I taste something sweet.
Sugar.
I'm feeling a lot of pressure because this one guess is gonna be that ticket to whether I'll be in top 5 or I'll be in the bottom.
I'm sorry, Jess. There is no sugar in the tagine.
Okay. I'm really devastated. I definitely want to be in round 2. There's something sweet in there.
You can feel it, the pressure's ramping up. The next person to name an ingredient incorrectly will join Jess and Ben in round 2.
From what I'm looking at, I can't tell who's gonna win. Khan, Reese, and Chloe know their flavors very well. Any of them going is gonna be a big loss for us.
Reese, your turn.
Chili powder.
You're correct.
Chloe?
Preserved lemon.
Oh, would there be preserved lemon in Gary's tagine?
You hate it.
Chloe, of course there's preserved lemon in Gary's tagine, and let's see if I can smell where it is. I reckon it's where it is, eh? Ta-da!
Khan, up you come.
Yogurt.
Yes, there's yogurt.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Chloe, name an ingredient in Gary's Moroccan-style Tajine.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Olive oil.
Olive oil it is. Right, Reese, what do you got?
Cumin.
Reese, you're correct.
Chloe, starting to get a little bit trickier.
At this point, I'm relying on my knowledge of Moroccan dishes and spices, and I've just got to go with what I think would go in a tagine.
Coriander seeds.
Where you find cumin, you often find coriander seeds, especially in this tagine. Well done!
Khan, up you come again.
I know that Ben's gone for this thing that looks like a pear and he got it wrong, but I have a feeling it's something that's like a pear but not. I taste a thing that I think looks like a pear. It's a little bit grainy, it's a little bit stringy.
What is it?
Quince.
Quince. You're good. Quince is in the tagine. Well done.
I'm so relieved. Another round done. It's quince. I'm really happy right now.
Reese, your turn.
This taste test is getting so hard. The ingredients are all getting picked and it's becoming really minute what we can actually pick up in that tajine.
Reese, what do you got, man?
French shallot.
Knowing Gary, I know he does use French shallots a lot, so it's a risk, but I think it's right.
Reese? You're incorrect, I'm sorry.
Okay.
There's no French shallot in Gary's tajine.
I definitely wanted to try and save myself in the first round. I'm so disappointed. I have to compete again in the second round.
I should have said cranberry.
Khan, Chloe, congratulations. You are in the top 5.
Top 5, we're here, we've arrived. It's going to be finals week next week, and I'm part of it. I'm so excited.